I want to share with you a little sneak peek of the Make Silver Jewelry Apprenticeship Program. This is the members only website area where we're going to start with the very basics of soldering silver jewelry, and we're going to go through the tools and supplies that you're going to need. I'm going to give you links to everything that I use, all the tools and everything that I use to make my jewelry, and then you can move on to the tutorial section. We're going to be adding a whole lot more here very soon. We're going to go through the very simple steps to get you started soldering silver, and then we'll move on up from there with more advanced work coming out pretty soon. I can't wait for you to join us. I hope you're having a great day, and I will catch you in the next video.